just going to make a plate first and leave her to throw the little bowl with. Like I say, leave a bit there. Just going to draw this out. Try and make the bowl. Shouldn't be too difficult because it's what it's wanting to do. You can. In the middle. So it's just really like using another tiny bit of clay in the middle. Could be a little bit awkward without touching the rim. The other pot. Just draw that out. Get rid of a lot of this. Do this better when it's like tomorrow when it's leather hard as well. Get it into a better shape. Lift it up, show you what it looks like.